Hey guys, it's Warren here and welcome back to the LEGO Family channel. Now today I'm going to show you two great games that are perfect for your kids to play whilst travelling. Today we're going to learn how to teach our kids about musical coding, plus how to make these brilliant Duplo travel kits. Now, first for our musical coding game. The aim here is to use some basic Duplo bricks and lay them out on a flat surface. And it's the way you lay the bricks out which will depend what noise you make with your hands. This is great for teaching your kids about the basic concept of reading music whilst being a fun memory game. Now decide what noise you want each brick to represent, then see who can perform the best rendition of your song. And that is how to play this simple musical coding game whilst on the go. And now for our next fun game to play whilst on the go, here's how to make Duplo travel kits. Firstly, take a sheet of A4 paper or card and fold it in half lengthways. Then, widthways, fold the piece of paper or card by 1/3. Now with your paper or card sitting landscape in front of you, make an incision on one half of the fold using a pair of safety scissors. Now fold the piece of paper or card as shown to form the base of your own little miniature Duplo world. But it's looking a bit plain at the minute, so let's decorate. Using either your favourite coloured pencils, felt tip pens or paints, unfold your sheet of paper or card and decorate it to create a scene of your choice. And remember, these can be of whatever you want, which will really help inspire the creativity of your kids. And now with your scene all worked up, refold the piece of paper or card back up to check it looks okay. And now let's pack everything up so this is ready to play with on the go, including your paper or card scenes plus some spare Duplo bricks. And this is a great way of demonstrating to your kids that Duplo isn't just a toy you need to play at home. So, when you found somewhere to set up, take your box of tricks and pop up your Duplo scene you prepared earlier. And now take some of those Duplo bricks you packed to create your own little miniature Duplo world. And there you have it, there are just two really simple Duplo games that your kids can play whilst on the go that require very few basic Duplo bricks but also inspires creativity and learning at the same time. Now there are loads more creative ways you can use Duplo bricks to help your child develop. So remember to subscribe to the LEGO Family channel for loads more tips and hacks to help make your life just that little bit easier.